Hey guys, we made a 3D cutscene with AI. Not stock footage, not a slideshow with transitions, an actual animated cutscene. Tanya charging straight into a massive sandworm, explosions, camera cuts, the whole thing, and we built it using OiiOii AI. We are indie developers behind Atom Assault, a full 3D chaotic RTS where everything explodes, and you can literally pilot nukes in first person. And right now we are using OiiOii to produce game assets, PV trailers, cutscenes, and promotional material, all inside one browser tool with zero animation team. I need to show you how this works. You know that feeling when you drop a prompt into an AI video tool, hit generate, and just cross your fingers? Sometimes it looks decent. The next shot, your main character has a completely different face. And if you want to fix one single scene, you are basically starting the whole thing over. That AI gotcha loop is killing serious creators. And today, I want to show you the tool that is actually fixing it. It is called OiiOii AI, just officially launched. And it is built around a director's workflow, which is a completely different approach from everything else you have tried. Instead of text to video and pray, OiiOii gives you a real production pipeline in your browser. You start with prompt to animation, drop in a single prompt, and their LLM-driven agent drafts a full animated short. Not random clips, but something built around cinematic beats, pacing, and narrative. Everything lives in one platform: script, characters, storyboards, visuals, even music. And behind it all is a 7-in-1 professional agent squad. 7 specialized AIs handling different parts of production, all working together from day one. For Atom Assault, we used OiiOii to create adorable 3D animations for our game cutscenes, including a scene of our hero Tanya going toe-to-toe against a massive sandworm crawling out of the desert floor. Let me actually walk you through how we built that scene step by step, because every feature we needed showed up exactly when we needed it. First, we opened the custom canvas, their freeform workspace where you lay out an entire project visually and save it as your own reusable pipeline. We dropped Tanya in as our locked OC, one character reference, one outfit, one set of proportions, and from that moment forward, every shot pulled from the same Tanya. Next, we opened the multi-grid storyboard master. Their multi-grid template put our whole cutscene in front of us as a board of panels. Tanya on the dune at sunset, the ground cracking, the worm erupting through the sand, Tanya drawing her weapon, the head-on charge, the explosion. We could see the whole flow before animating a single frame, and every panel already had Tanya looking like Tanya. Then we used the scene builder to lock the desert environment from multiple angles, so the wide shot, the close-up, and the over-the-shoulder all felt like the same piece of desert, not 3 different planets. When one panel didn't hit, we zoomed in on that panel in the canvas, tweaked the prompt, regenerated just that shot, and left everything else untouched. No gotcha loop, no starting over. Finally, we hit animate, and OiiOii stitched the locked storyboard into a full cinematic with motion, cuts, and sound. Same face, same vibe, zero continuity breaks. This is the kind of content that used to take a small studio weeks. We did it solo. And that workflow isn't specific to game cutscenes, it's the whole platform. The custom canvas, the multi-grid storyboards, and the scene builder are what make OiiOii actually pro-grade. You save any pipeline you build as a reusable template, you control every panel before animation, you lock environments across every angle, way more control at way less cost. And even with the same prompt as someone else, OiiOii's elite scriptwriting agent outputs deeper, more polished creative work than generic tools. Beginner? Go full autopilot, one prompt, zero learning curve, no prompt engineering needed. Pro? Go full manual, use the canvas, the storyboards, the scene designer, and build a repeatable pipeline. Want to launch a character IP or a faceless channel for shorts and reels? You are the director, writer, and animator all in one platform without a 10-person team. For agencies, it is even bigger. The multi-agent system handles scripting, storyboarding, and consistent character rendering, so a small studio can take on way more client work without hiring anyone new. Game ads, brand mascots, daily animation packages, music videos, investor presentations, all brand consistent from a 30-second ad to a 10-episode series. OiiOii is officially live. New users normally get 100 credits on Signing, but if you register through our creator-exclusive invitation link, you get 200 credits instead. Double the credits to actually go deep. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Just tap it, create your account, and the bonus lands automatically. No code to type, nothing to copy. There is also a $7 entry subscription for new users, so you can test it properly without a big commitment. Tap our invitation link in the description or pinned comment to join and jump into their Discord community. Both links and the full step-by-step are right there waiting. Subscribe and hit the bell for more AI tool deep dives. And drop a comment below. Are you building a faceless channel, launching a character IP, or running brand work? Tell me your idea down below.